What is up, family? Man, listen, a player gonna have to put the pedal to the metal. Today is finally the day. Yes, we're gonna head up to the wrap shop to begin that process. All right, y'all, we made it to our location. Woo. Man, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I'm still trying to get, oh, there go a Rivian right there. Speed demon. The man, how you doing, man?
Buddy? Ready to get it rolling?
Yeah.
Cool.
I am 100,000% ready to get it rolling.
Great. I'm gonna have you fill this out for me real quick.
So, what's today gonna look like as far as like processing and whatnot?
We're gonna pull it in, try to get it washed up, kind of prepped, pulled apart, all that stuff. Alrighty. So we are doing on the color. It's gonna be the satin dark gray.
Yep. Satin dark gray. And some of that, I guess the gloss black PPF, wherever that.
Yep.
Powder coating the wheels. You got the email I sent you, right, with the prismatic color
yes,
thing?
Sir,
And all right, perfect. I just wanted to make sure. So there's something I wanted to ask about. So like I know on like the gas cap. Mm-hmm. So I know how you showed me that one time how you could do like the underlay with the puff, like kind of make it look puff. So what I wanted to add was a puzzle piece for autism. It's just like a puzzle piece. You can even like Google it. It's literally just one puzzle piece.
Yeah, no.
But like you put that on the gas cap and then overlay over that. That would be like dope. Like it's just a hidden little added thing for him. I guess we'll get to the logos and all that other stuff later. So when I send you graphics for like logos for you to vinyl print, is there a certain type of layout you like for that or what? Like how are you?
EPS. If you can get me like a vector, like an EPS
vector.
or an AI, yeah. That's
I figured vector would be the okay. All right, awesome. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Pretty good.
I'm Sam.
CJ.
CJ?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, man.
Was Sam here last time? So I'm running around. I might have a camera poke around.
Yeah,
you remember? I made the video. All right, sweet. Yeah, I don't want anyone. If I got a camera around, if you don't want a camera in your face, I don't want to poke it in your face.
You're good. Alrighty. Just a quick overview.
Right.
We're doing the satin dark gray.
Correct.
And then we're gonna be doing some unique graphics with it.
Right.
And then I've got the emailed pictures of that. We're doing the puzzle pieces. The puzzle piece on the gas cap for an underlay. And then powder coating satin pearl white. We're doing the IGL wheels, calipers, and exhaust tips as ceramic coating. Mm-hmm. The IGL shield ceramic coating, and then taillight tint along with the rear emblem you're wanting. Yeah.
I wanted the rear emblem. You probably could. Can you guys do the front emblem as well? It's like the same thing. Like tint, black it out. Yeah. And then if not, I can try and. Oh, make sure the all of the side marker, like the the reflectors, the side marker, make sure that gets blacked out too.
All right, you want to take a look?
Yeah. Come on, let's go. What's up, brother? Oh, good to see you again. How you doing?
How you doing, buddy?
We got the boss and junior boss.
Man,
yeah, good. I got those rotiforms put on. I just put on those carbon fiber mirror caps yesterday.
Oh, nice.
That on there. Actually, I haven't even looked at the car with all that.
So remind me with the gloss black PPF, where?
So from, it's just following this line like this, up here, this panel right here, and the roof. Obviously you'll stop at the sunroof right there, and then I guess like this part into here, and then we talked about the carbon fiber part on that part, the carbon fiber PPF, and then black.
You want to end this just like this?
So, creative decision when you guys are doing it to see how it looks. Because I know the satin gray is going to be the majority of the color. And I guess the satin gray would come up.
Yeah, I would have it come up.
Yeah, like
you're trying to emulate like the R8, right?
Well, pretty much. That's what I see a lot of people do with the VW. Get that cut. So, yeah, you can cut it like that. Yeah,
that's
perfect.
what I would do. Because you don't want to come up here.
100%.
You want it to be proportional, right?
Exactly.
You want to bring that all the way down into here.
Yeah, along this right here, down here. That'd be blacked out.
Panel.
Yep.
Incorporate that blue into here with that gray. That would look so good. And you got the blue there.
It's a funny thing, because at first I was almost wanting to do a blue delete, but then it's in the...
Yeah, no, you can keep that anyway.
I can't because of that. So, yeah. So I'll let the blue live right there.
It'll look really, really sharp. And it's not too much, right? Just little hints of
right,
here and there.
Right. Then they like baked it into the interior too, so the blue lives with the car, like 100%. So. I put the new speed open air intake, and I added this MST Performance inlet.
Notice the difference?
Sound-wise,
I was gonna say,
100%.
it sounds
It's just all about sound. This is a sound mod, so it just sounds really great. Later on this month, on like the 25th, I got lowering springs. We're gonna lower it. Rear sway bar. I don't know, like whatever happens has happened. Let me see. Oh man, yeah. Oh wow.
Something hit it on the highway?
Possibly. That's my first time seeing that actually.
We can probably polish that out.
Okay. Man, I can't wait to have this thing wrapped so it feels a little bit more like, you know, protected. Yeah, you know. So like when we start doing photos and stuff, I got this, and it's magnetic. So I got that made, and then I bought the carbon fiber little
That'd
cover
be perfect for what we do.
Everybody loves satin, right? Yeah, I know, right? And then also too, I think when you go matte, like everything from factory is pretty much gloss. So at least it kind of like gives you somewhat of a separation. Here's that satin. Now, satin matte finishes versus just a matte finish, the difference is kind of like the sheen look or what?
Yeah, so I will show you because we got a little matte dark gray as well.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I would get spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my network.
Yeah, I was like, for the first time, I was like, I didn't want to go too bonkers. I was like, let's just do something kind of simple. But then I'm pretty sure in the future, I'll probably try to do something crazy. You got that color flipping. It's a, that's kind of like a matte.
Yes.
Of that,
yep,
right? Like
yep,
a matte version of
yep,
it?
Yep.
Nice.
So there's one of them I done.
Are you gloss, satin, or matte? Where you like to land?
I'm not gloss, let's put it that way. I'm either matte or satin, for sure.
There we go.
Glosses are really hard to keep clean.
Right.
And then they show a lot of imperfections.
Right.
You know, like little micro scratches on them.
Yeah, that's what he was telling me because when we were talking about the gloss black, he was like, it scratches, but you guys have that gloss black PPF. So we'll do that since it's self-healing.
That was another one of my
Nice.
favorites.
I like that one. I like that color.
That's not mine, but
Right.
we did that for a guy.
How long have you been doing this type of work, like rapping and detailing and stuff?
Since 2005.
2005.
Started this business, January 05.
Oh, wait, are you the other co-owner?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
My bad, Lucy's right. So what's your name?
Colin.
Colin's the co-owner. Okay, sweet. Great. I just want people like that are following the build to like just see it and how it goes. And then also it makes other people more comfortable about the process. And seeing what all goes into it, like watching their door panel hang, and I was like,
Welcome to Volkswagen.
I know, huh? Yeah, that's crazy, all that.
Are you blacking the taillights at all?
Yeah.
Cool. I'd cut this out. And
Okay.
and leave this clear.
Okay.
And just tint this.
These.
Tint the markers, yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Leave this gloss black.
Yep, we leaving that gloss black.
Yep.
To match with the little gloss
Yep.
black over there. The front grill stay gloss.
Leaving handles black.
I don't know about that. You guys, we haven't talked about that. So how you and Seth come into each other, collide, and end up like, hey, we could.
That's a good question. So Seth was actually a customer of mine back in the day. Started with the tint and the clear bra
Okay.
on vinyl side.
Okay.
And Seth did the detailing side.
So is powder coating wheels like a tough job, or is it pretty straightforward and simple?
No, it's straightforward, simple. Basically, we pull the wheels off the car. We send them to our powder coater. They strip the existing paint.
Right.
And then re-powder coat.
Okay.
They mount and balance the tires right there.
Oh, okay, sweet.
So we get them back and they're ready to
just mount right onto the
plug
car.
and play,
Perfect. That's super dope.
Like this outer section here. So this will probably be sprayed, painted, not powder coated, because it's plastic.
Right.
Are yours plastic?
I don't know. I have it. That's a good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine are metal.
Yours are? Uh-oh, I gotta talk to Rotiform. What's up? You being biased. You got my guys.
he went for the weight reduction. I mean, that adds about 5 horsepower right there.
What is the name of the model of your Rotiforms? Do you know off the top of your head?
Yeah, Blaster. So
Okay.
LAS.
Yeah, I think white. I don't know. I like white wheels, even though most people would be like, ah, you wouldn't want to go white, but at least we're gonna do the ceramic coat to help.
Oh yeah.
Cause the brake dust, so at first I wasn't getting a lot of brake dust, but then once I started, like I hit that 1,000-mile braking period, you know, I threw in the intake, started having fun. Oh yeah, brake dust is. You know what, you gotta connect with me and let me know the car shows out here so I can start pulling up and
You ever got stuff going on Thursdays?
And I'm open, dude. I work for myself. Like this is what I do full time at this point. So I'm blessed. So, and Thursdays are a good, I could get out on Thursdays.
Cars and coffee, that's always going on.
My next goal is to get more into the cars, like especially after you guys like get this wrap on here, I get it lowered and all that stuff. I want to start pulling up, right? And then that's how you enjoy your cars. Go get out with other car people and just like.
And there's a decent community out here for Volkswagen.
Sweet. You know what? It's funny you say that. I had a guy, I was literally at Breadco, I think I was yesterday, and this guy pulls up in his GTI. Like, I'm coming out of Breadco with my order, and he's got his window down, he's got his GTI, and he's like taking pictures and stuff. And I was like, oh, dude, I was like, yours sound like it has something to it. So he had like an APR stage 1 on it, GTI. So yeah, that made me have hope. Like, oh, there must be other Golf and, you know, Audis and all that stuff out here. C8?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, with the white interior. Nice wheels on there. I admire the bravery to put white leather, especially on the C8, that's nice. All right, guys, as you guys will see, they have to take apart the vehicle. If you guys want to see what the inside of a MK8 Golf R door looks like, there you go. All right, you guys, the wrap process has begun, baby. It's about to be legendary. I ain't even gonna cap, though. I'm gonna keep it a buck, man. I'm looking forward to the finished product.
Alrighty. Throw the hood on.
Let's get it.
I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
Sneak peek, sneak peek. What's the hardest part about wrapping a car, like the process?
How to cut it, you know, not cutting through stuff.
And that's always been a part that I've wondered, like, cause you see people with their blades cutting, I'm like, yo, how are they cutting that and not like, you know, cutting the car and stuff like that? It's definitely gotta be a skill. So this is awesome. Sweet preview. All right, Colin, I appreciate you. I'm gonna get out for the day. I'll be back intermittently throughout the week, filming and stuff like that. I told Gage just call me when there's cool stuff happening, when I can come get some footage. I got my ride outside waiting. I want to be fair to keep them, you know. Oh, they in a new car.
I went from LA to the A on the run.